What's up? It's been a while. We're gonna get back to this Rx8 drift car here. Doing a few things onto it. It's been a while since I updated it. Threw this carbon fiber hood on it. Putting the auto power cage in. Some 5-point harnesses and battery relocation into the trunk. So we're gonna be working on that today. Also pulled a lot of the stuff out from under the dash and redid some wiring and stuff like that, so we're finishing that up as well. Gonna do some vinyl wrap on it at some point here and whatnot, so we're gonna get going on that and doing some door panels here. Yeah, that's kind of where we're at with this. Gonna vacuum it out a little bit. I've made a disaster, so we're gonna go into detail, well, I guess kind of detail of this, putting this cage in. Got to drill some holes, put some plates in, bolt. Was gonna pull the sunroof out. I'm not gonna mess with it right now, so that's where we're at with that. And then gonna do some stuff under the hood probably at some point here. So gonna clean this up a little more, wiring wise. Make it a little easier to access. Maybe throw a Daptronic ECU in it here shortly. Try and get rid of this ABS module. But that is for the speed sensors right now until we go standard and with the steering. So I gotta go get some tools out and stuff and whatnot, and then we'll be right back. You got the cage and harnesses in. So anyways, this is just a simple auto power cage I picked up for the meantime. Got to drill holes, bolt, put a plate on the bottom side, bolt it down. Same in the back here. Not too hard to do. It's a little more of a pain in the ass getting it in the car. I mean, with the interior in the car, you're gonna fight with it. These strapped right to the original seatbelt rail. The same thing on the inside there, wrapped around. Gonna be back shortly. Gotta go pick up a few things, hood pins and some vinyl possibly, and we'll be right back. I got a lot more to do. So, well, back with this thing. Got the hood pins in. Opened this up quite a bit for some airflow. Cut the bumper and took about 2 inches out of it. So a lot more airflow going on there, and took all the stuff out of the front. And so next we've got this fire extinguisher mounted. Not 100% sure where I'm going to put it yet. I'm going to put it right there or right there. I kind of wanted to keep it off the tunnel. The tunnel gets pretty hot. Going to be mounting the wiper switch and headlights in there. As you can see, this is all completely gutted under there now. I got to make a patch. I don't know if I can get a good shot at it for that hole in the firewall now. The battery is all mounted down. I'm going to make a box for it and probably tin that rear off. More loud vehicles. So slowly going on this and getting there. Hopefully getting it out pretty soon here. I haven't done much this season. Missed a couple events already, so got a few other little odds and ends I want to get done to it before I go out again. And I got to get some camber in this front end, so I got to get some different control arms because those other ones I got weren't that great. Okay, so we're back. I got the panel on. Like I said, no lock switch because it doesn't need it, and the wiring is kind of buttoned up in there for now. And like I said, just power and ground, and the windows work again. So if you're stripping the car down, you really don't have to go crazy. But it's all back together. For the meantime, I just kind of put the headlight switch right here and wiper, because I'm gonna make a switch panel and stuff later. But I've already missed 3 events, so I'm just trying to get this thing ready to go. Yeah, so kind of haven't had time to do much with some of the other projects that I got going on, which we'll show you here in a second. But under here, like I said, I took all this out, cut it all out, get a little more airflow. As you can see, this is wide open all the way up to the top. Shrunk the bumper down, and now I need to do the clutch masters next on this. So the redundant line that runs up, down along the bottom of the motor and back up. So I'm gonna make a new line and come across here straight without all these bends and craziness, and then I've got a steel braided line and I'm going directly to the master with, instead of looping around, because we don't have heater hoses and all that stuff anymore. So we're gonna go straight to the clutch slave and get rid of some of the bleeding issues that you have with these cars. Last time I had to bleed one of these, I had to bleed it like 4 or 5 times and mess around and all that good stuff. Buttoned up some of this wiring for the meantime. That is all going to get removed and rerouted and stuff at some point here. The same thing with this. This is going to get moved back in that corner. The ECU is probably going to go inside the car at some point when I get more time. And this fuse panel, there's probably only like 6 fuses left, so we're going to shrink that down at some point and all that wiring. So for now, I need to make a little plate for there and a little plate for there, and once the master's done, we're good to go, because everything else is buttoned up here for the most part, and everything works flawlessly right now. But as in other projects, so I've been doing a lot of stuff outside, and it kind of sucks. So we're working on a bigger building out back here, down by where the truck is. You can see it staked out down there. A 40 by 60 building, but right now I've got it was going to be 25 by 25, but I was getting crazy prices on trusses in a long wait period. But I found some used trusses online, but they're 33 foot, so I've got to add another row of 6 by 6s here, and that's all the equipment, so this old wood shed can come down. I already took this one down, and there was an old wall here that I filled in. So we're starting to look a little better here, and then we won't be working outside anymore, which is nice. I mean, other than working on engines inside. But yeah, that's where the big building's going to be going, and that's where the substation power and that's all the equipment stuff. So yeah, that's where we're at with everything right now. As you can see, did a lot of excavating here. This used to be a 20-foot high hill where the truck is sitting right now. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at with everything. So yeah, we took the car out and had a little bit of mishap with the brand new master cylinder I put in, and smoked the clutch. So now we got all neutrals, but Mike did get a very, very small amount of videos, so I'll put those in here too. Well, from the last clip there, you can see the smoke roll out from under the car. That was about when the clutch said I was done, and that's where we're at. So anyways, got some of these stickers, I guess, envelope size. First people that comment and send me their email, let's say the first 5, I'll send out a free sticker. If anybody wants one, I guess like $4 should cover shipping and a sticker. So just shoot me an email.